Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Victor. I'm in the middle of fixing this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just fixed the back glass. This is the new glass already on it. You can see some of the glass. Not really that much, but this is what I can show you. Kind of forgot to record the beginning, but this is me putting it all back. This is motherboard, speaker, front camera, back camera, screws and battery. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show that finished product. This is it, all done, put together. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Brand new back glass. Ready to go. If you need anything like this, feel free to give me a call right here at 760-567-8151. Here to help everybody. I fix cell phones, computers, tablets, and game consoles. Check out my website at the bottom. Here to help everybody. Thank you.